Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm gonna go a bit closer and answer your questions about Renox TCR250 in macro photography. So let's be off.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today I will try to answer and clear some of your doubts regarding the Renox TCR250. I'm no expert. I'm still learning to master my Renox with patience and practice. But you guys have given such a lot of love to my Renox tutorials. Thank you so much for it. So I want to give back to you and try to answer your questions. And these questions have been submitted by you guys on my YouTube videos. So let's answer them. First question by Sunil Roy. Can I fit it on Nikon Coolpix P1000? To attach the Renox, I have to fix it to the universal mounting adapter and fix this adapter to my lens and use it. Renox can be used with any lens having a diameter between 52 and 67 mm with the help of the adapter. You may check your lens diameter here. It's there on every lens. It is depicted by this symbol. The lens diameter of the P1000 is 77 mm. So attaching a Renox onto it will require a separate adapter or stepping ring. Second, by AK Ducker, is ultra macro photography possible with Renox? Of course it is possible, that's what it is made for. If I use my Renox TCR250 with a macro lens, then I can go super close. But it will require a lot of patience and practice because the depth of field will be very shallow, but it can be worth it. Sandeep asks, focusing with Renox and extension tube is the same, which one is quicker? In terms of magnification, I guess both of them are quite similar, but the extension tube will have a broader focal plane, so it will be easier to focus with the extension tube as compared to the Renox TCR250. Image quality obviously depends on the photographer's skill. Also, attaching and removing the Renox on the field is easier, takes about a few seconds only, but attaching and removing the extension tube takes a lot of time. So you may miss any non-macro moment while you are doing that. Bappi Vlogs asks, how much is the price of the Renox 250? In India, the Renox 250 will cost you around 8 to 9,000 if you buy it online. But if you buy it from a local camera store, it may be cheaper. Kanti asks, is Renox TCR250 better with macro lens or 7300? You can use both, but it will give you more magnification with the macro lens obviously, but the depth of field will be very shallow, so focusing will be a bit difficult. So if you are a beginner, first use your zoom lens and then start using the macro lens. Even with the zoom lens, first focus at around 70 mm and then gradually increase your focal length. At 300 mm, nothing is going to be in focus. So first master your zoom lens and then go to the macro lens. Mr. Manoj asks, what is your suggestion about Renox 250 on Nikkor 28-300mm lens? Yes, do give it a try, but like I said, first focus at 40 or 50 mm and then gradually keep increasing your focal length. Santu asks, can I use Renox 150 along with 90mm Tamron? Yes, of course you can use Renox TCR 150 the same way like Renox TCR 250. Again, if you use it with the macro lens, depth of field will be shallow. It will give you super ultra macro photography. You can go very close to the subject, but focusing will be difficult, so practice and be patient. So guys, I hope I answered your questions correctly and cleared your doubts about the Renox TCR250 and macro photography. In case I did, give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you still have more questions about Raynox photography. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Raynox tutorial, and here is a playlist that plays all my macro photography tutorials. Please go check these videos out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.